In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit macros in Zendesk. Editing macros can significantly enhance the efficiency of your customer support workflow by allowing you to customize and update pre-written responses and actions that your team frequently uses. So, let's walk through the process together. First, we're going to access the macros page. Begin by navigating to the Admin Center in your Zendesk account. You'll find the Admin Center by looking at the sidebar on the left. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Workspaces. Click on it to proceed further. This will lead you to an area where you can manage various tools. Now, to find and edit your macros, you need to go to Agent Tools. It's here that you'll spot the term Macros. Clicking on Macros will open up a list showing all the macros currently available in your system. Once you're on the Macros page, the next step is to locate the specific macro you want to edit. Depending on how frequently you use macros, this list could be quite extensive. To make things easier, Zendesk provides search and filter options. For instance, you can streamline your search by distinguishing between shared and personal macros. Use the search bar if you already know the specific name of the macro you're looking for, or leverage the filters to find what you need more quickly. This can save you a lot of time and help keep the process smooth and efficient. Having located the macro you wish to edit on the list, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice that an Options menu appears, usually indicated by 3 dots, or, as some might call it, the ellipsis. Click on the Edit option that appears. This is where you can make the necessary adjustments to the macro. Now you are in the editing stage. You can start by updating the name of the macro if necessary. This is especially useful if you're making significant changes and the old name no longer reflects the macro's new purpose. Besides altering the name, you can modify or add actions that better suit your current needs. These actions might include updating response templates, adding or adjusting tags, or even changing status updates. Furthermore, it's crucial to set the proper permissions for your macro. This ensures only the appropriate people have access to use or further edit the macro, maintaining control and security over your support processes. Once you've made all the desired changes, don't forget the final step, clicking Save. This applies those modifications and ensures you and your team can start using the updated macro right away. It can sometimes be easy to overlook this last step, so make sure you double-check that everything is saved to prevent any work from being lost. And that's it. You've successfully edited a macro in Zendesk. Following these steps will help you maintain effective and up-to-date tools in your support system, enhancing both team efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.